Welcome back to our videos, and I want to show you a quick one today. If you need to send out an email at the same time every day or every night, let's say you have a scheduled email that needs to go out at 6 p.m. to your students or your parents, you don't have to be sitting at your computer to send that. This has been in Gmail all along, and you may never have used it until today. I'm just pressing compose and writing a new message here. I'll add my recipient, I'll add the subject, and before I hit send, there's an arrow next to send. It says more send options if I hover over it and I click it, and then a new option called schedule send shows up. I press that, and now I have this menu. There's some defaults like tomorrow morning or this afternoon, or I can pick a date and time, which brings up a calendar. I'll choose tomorrow. I can do this by the minute. I can say 10:29 p.m., whatever you want, and press schedule send. Now at the bottom left, you'll see schedule send for tomorrow, 10:29. I can undo it. I can view the message, or on the left-hand side, you'll see there's a sent folder, and now there's a scheduled folder. By the way, here's Gateau. He's very interested in being in this video. So you can adjust the scheduled sent messages that you're putting out there. So if I want to, I can click here. I can press I can go here. Oh, sorry, cancel send. It's on the right-hand side. Press cancel send. If I don't want to send that message at that time, it goes back over here to my compose window so I can rewrite it. I can choose a different time to send it. But it's a good trick to have in your tool belt.